Oh yeah, no problem. You know what I'm saying? We back at it. Back at it again.
You know.
We shooting the pictures today.
Yeah, guys, Hurricane is the actor nowadays.
I'm tight shit. Let them know. I'm in my acting bag. You know what I'm saying?
Oscar.
I hope so. Hey, one of these days.
You're mostly having an artist, not just a dancer.
Let them know.
Oh, and he dropping a rap album or just a mixtape?
Okay, now you saying a lot. That's crazy. We cooking right now. We cooking. For sure.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Are you? That's that's cool shit.
I'm getting wired up. Type shit. Type shit.
Gotta use fishing wire. This is Wisdom Warner, guys.
Oh yeah.
Extraordinaire. You know, our
They
director.
doing the damn thing.
You know.
They doing the damn thing. They cooking right now.
Yeah.
Right. Bags. Oh, that's fire. Type shit.
It's the red one. Yeah. It's like a straight one. Yeah. Pull it out. Oh, that's okay. That's perfect.
Type shit.
They kept
Type shit.
search kit.
Indeed.
The PSP return.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh, okay. My bad. So I mean, indeed.
And you have to do nothing different because you just occupy this space. Continue your conversation, and just like to give them, occupy the space. And so don't mind me. I'm just gonna be singing.
Bro, we get it, bro.
Is that why?
I'm on the cam too.
That's why always in that.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm on the cam too.
Because I was like, who is old dude in the bag? Why is he doing the thing in the car?
People it was like, what is he doing back there?
It was oddly cinematic.
Yeah.
What? That's his dad.
Oh, work. It was cinematic. I was like, word.
Who is this guy in the back?
My father.
That's what sounds like he's acting down.
I'm
Like,
dead.
Was he acting?
No, he was talking about the car battery.
It was very
He's going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. He's doing some shit. He's going crazy.
He was talking about the battery.
This is,
Mike Nero, you probably know.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that shit was like. So, mind you, bro.
Hold on. Damn. Uh-huh. Damn. Okay. Damn. What? Damn. Okay. What? Damn. What? What?
He's in for Mario. I be knowing that motion. She be like, okay.
Yeah.
She start talking real low, like, don't make me get loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Indeed. Tight shit.
Whatever you're most comfortable with.
Damn. Hold on. What? Type shit. What? Hold on. What? Damn. Hold on. What? Damn. What? Damn. The pimp walk. Damn. Hold on. Damn. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Damn.
This man is money.
He's money? Money. Money.
Because I think money gets
I'm saying.
Yeah, bring that chair in and then his jacket.
Type shit. Yeah. Like Tekken. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Yeah. 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 Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. We finna throw it at him.
Yeah, that's you. Get ready.
Yeah, that's it. Wait, where that paper plane?
What do you need?
We finna bully him.
I did it.
Hey, can I borrow a piece
He
of
was
paper?
ready to throw some
If I
paper.
say, hey, can I borrow a piece of paper? Don't rip it like this. Don't never rip it like that.
Oh, dead.
Like super close.
I'm dead.
I think it on three.
about this. Y'all don't know nothing about this. They jamming like they know something. They don't know nothing. And you smack. Get back. Kick. Just like this. Hold on. Wait. Hold on, not kick. Ooh, oh, he had a spin with it. Okay. He really like that. Alright then. Oh. Damn. Huh. It's the feet. Yeah. Let them know. Right. Well, yeah. I'm dead.
I know that's right. Truly.
Get him right, Destiny. Get him right.
Boy, that's tough. That is dope as hell.
ATL, ho.
My goodness.
Type shit.
That is tough, dude.
That's really fun.
Damn. Hold on. What? Damn. Get a little what? Watch your feet now. I don't know the words for real. To be real. What? Damn. Real. Got to be real. Got to be real. Let me sneak in. Sneak in. Yeah, I got it. Oh. Type shit.
We got some good ones.
Tight shit. Hey, trip out. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Oh, trip out. Damn. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Trip out. Oh. Oh. Damn.
more time. Look towards camera.
Wait a minute!
Justin, can you turn on the light?
That's the one! Oh, Hurricane! That is the one!
Hurricane.
Bruh!
Hurricane.
That's the one!
Hurricane.
That is the one! That's crazy! That's the one! Oh my god! That is crazy!
Damn, you beating their ass.
Get right, get right. There you go. Oh yeah, yeah. Get in there.
Oh, slightly. You said slightly.
What's wrong, man?
I'm dead. I'm weak. These are fire.
Right into it, exactly.
Tight shit.
Exactly.
Tight shit.
Alright.
Yeah. Damn.
I need you to give me like that
Hello.
expression.
Why you asking all them questions, making statements? Assuming? Asking all them, damn. Asking all them, hold on, why you, where, oh, he did, oh, they started. Okay. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Indeed. Clean.
They turned the hood up.
Turn the hood up.
612, they don't know about that. That's that north side, you know what I'm saying?
Let them know.
You want to see what's going on.
Tight shit.
Where? She know I need them.
Where? Oh, damn. Hold on. Okay. Where? Ooh.
Hold this. Hold.
Record it.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hold on. Hey, what? Hold on. Spin around. Turn it down. Hey.
What's happening? What's happening, y'all? Hey! Am I
Keep it on.
Go, go, go! Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We type shit.
He said, "Cuánta
Yeah.
You one more cent.
I'm over here trying to look
Ice cream
serious.
is. It's vanilla. That's what you
Type
ordered.
shit.
Shimmy, shimmy, oh, shimmy,
Stop. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
I need to like right in his pocket.
What are you doing? It's all good. It's all good. What are y'all singing about?
Doing my thing, let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. You better smile. You better smile. You better work.
You better. Get on. Hold on. Wait. Indeed.
Y'all gotta see it on the laptop. Like zoomed in, the composition is so much stronger.
Indeed. Type shit. Hold on. What? Damn. Get your squabble on. The wig is off. It's off.
We're done. It's a wrap.
I know that's right. Hey, it's a wrap.
I feel like me again. Shit.
You feel like
Yeah, like
I'm dead. Type shit.